Welcome to my channel, Modern Stoic. I hope you will like our video. If you're new, I'm Mila, and today we're going to explore some amazing tips to help you attract a girl who doesn't seem interested in you. At first, don't worry if you feel like you don't have a chance, because after watching this video, I believe that everything can change with confidence and a little bit of strategy. We all deserve a chance to be loved and cared for, but sometimes seemingly simple things are the key to creating a special connection with someone. You will never know how a girl might feel if you don't try to change your approach. A confident step, a little change in the way you present yourself, and the subtlety of small actions can help you change the whole game. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some effective strategies that will help you impress her instead of just sitting there and waiting for an opportunity to come together. We'll explore how to use your confidence and charm to your advantage, making it easy for you to attract the girl you like, even if she doesn't seem too interested in you at first. So what are you waiting for? Join me to learn and apply these tips to open new doors for your relationship with her. Remember, it all starts with confidence and a smart strategy. 1. Use your eyes to make an impression. Everyone knows that eye contact plays a very important role in building relationships, but to create a truly deep connection, you need to pay more attention to her eyes. In particular, when you are talking to her, try looking into her left eye. This may sound strange, but according to researchers, direct contact with the left eye can stimulate the brain to create love hormones such as oxytocin. This is a hormone that helps increase connection, trust, and bonding between two people. When you look into her left eye, you are not simply communicating but creating a stronger connection, making her feel the care and respect you have for her. A deep, gentle, but meaningful gaze can say everything you want to convey. It's a great way to show genuine interest without saying too many words. Just a knowing look, a look full of warmth and sincerity, is enough to make her feel special. Feel that you are really paying attention to her. Connection comes not only from words, but also from the eyes. Small but meaningful gestures. That is what makes your relationship with her closer and creates a safe space where both of you can truly understand each other. So try looking into her left eye to see how great a connection you can create with just a look full of emotion and sincerity. 2. Change your scent has a magical power in influencing human emotions, sometimes even more powerful than words. A study shows that men who use deodorant with attractive scents not only help them feel more confident, but also easily attract women's attention from the very first moment when you enter a space. The scent you carry can create a strong first impression, making her feel curious and attracted. Scent is not only a factor that contributes to increasing attractiveness, but also reflects your personality and style. If you choose the right scent, it will not only make you feel confident and comfortable, but also bring a pleasant feeling to those around you. Imagine a date where she feels a wave of relaxation and attraction. When you are close, that scent will make her remember you, forever creating an unforgettable impression in her mind. Never underestimate the importance of scent when you want to impress her. It not only makes you more confident, but also makes her feel cared for and sophisticated from you. Choosing a scent that you really love, a scent that represents you, will make your relationship much more special. Remember, scent can be something that makes you unforgettable in her heart, a sign of the attention and care you give her. 3. Beat anxiety with natural supplements. If you feel stressed and anxious every time you approach a girl you like, don't worry too much. It's completely normal and everyone experiences it, but you can control it. Some supplements can help you reduce stress, boost your confidence, and make you feel more comfortable. When approaching her, a good example is guarana, a water-soluble vitamin known for its ability to increase alertness and energy. Guarana not only makes you feel energetic, but also gives you great confidence, making you more comfortable when facing stressful situations. Such supplements help to eliminate anxiety, making you feel natural and easy to express yourself, especially when approaching someone you really care about. When you don't feel the stress that's holding you back, it's easier to communicate and make a good impression. Confidence is key to making a strong impression on the girl you like. And when you feel comfortable, you can be yourself without worrying about how to impress or what to say. So if you're feeling nervous or anxious about approaching her, try some stress-reducing and confidence-boosting supplements. This will help you feel more comfortable and confident and give you the opportunity to show off your natural attractive self. 4. Make a call to a loved one before meeting her. You can try calling a loved one or a close friend. Conversations with someone familiar can give you a sense of security as a way to soothe the anxiety and stress that is rising inside. That familiar voice is like a gentle encouragement, helping you feel less lost or scared when facing the girl you are interested in. This feeling will help you calm down and regain your confidence, which is something we all need when we want to make a good impression on others. When you feel confident and comfortable, this will naturally show on the outside. She will feel the positive energy from you, and that confidence will attract her, making her feel that you are trustworthy and can make her feel safe. Attraction doesn't always come from flashy words or actions, but sometimes just by showing your confidence and self-assurance, she will feel it and be attracted to you. So before you go into the meeting, don't forget that confidence is the most important factor. A short conversation with a close friend can be a great medicine to help you reduce anxiety and be ready to face any situation. Believe in yourself, and you will see your relationship with her develop naturally and impressively. 5. Create excitement with a different date. A typical date can become too boring and easily make both of you feel disconnected. However, if you change it up and organize a date that is challenging and interesting, you will give her a completely new experience, making her feel nervous and excited from the very beginning. This will not only make the date memorable, but also arouse strong emotions in her that sometimes she can hardly explain. That fluttering feeling like butterflies in the stomach will make her feel surprised and excited, and those are the moments that we can never forget when you create elements of surprise in the date. She will not only feel excited, but also find herself more strongly attracted. Gentle challenges and new activities will help her open up more gradually, creating a special connection between the two of you. When you can make her feel like she is experiencing an adventure with you, your relationship will become more connected, and she will feel that you are the one who brings novelty, freedom, and joy to her life. This date is not just a chance to meet, but also an opportunity to create memorable memories, making her feel truly special. It is those challenges and surprises that will help you create a deeper connection, making her more attracted and closer to you. 6. Show confidence in social settings. When you go on a date, don't just focus on her. Remember, one of the most important factors that create attraction is confidence and the ability to communicate naturally with people around you. Don't hesitate to say hello, chat with restaurant staff, waiters, or even people around you. When you can interact easily and friendly with people, you not only show confidence, but also show that you are someone who is able to fit in and has a certain status in society. This will not only make her feel that you are a remarkable person, but also create a deep impression that you are someone who is capable of building good relationships with everyone. Not just her, she will feel that you are someone who is understanding, can master the situation, and is not afraid to express yourself in any situation. Your confidence when communicating with people around you will make her feel secure and attracted to you. It is a strong sign that you are someone who knows what you want, has your own style, and is always confident in your abilities. Such a person will not only stand out in the crowd, but also bring a sense of security and comfort to the other person. This will make her feel that you are a special person and will definitely make the date more interesting and memorable than ever. 7. Avoid paying for the date in front of her when the bill comes. Don't rush to pay in front of her. Instead, if she goes to the bathroom or leaves temporarily, quickly pay without her or anyone else noticing this small gesture. Not only helps you avoid awkwardness or feeling pressured, but also subtly demonstrates your confidence and control in social situations. This action shows that you are not only a person who knows how to take charge of a situation, but also has the ability to make decisions confidently without needing approval from others. She will sense your in-depth dependence and maturity, and this is a strong sign that you are a responsible man, capable of taking care of things gently without showing off. This also makes her see you as a mature, independent man who is capable of handling any situation, someone who not only cares for her, but also knows how to create a comfortable and natural space in the relationship. Such subtle actions will create a strong impression, make her feel your respect and care, and enhance the attraction and connection between the two of you. 8. Don't kiss her right at the end of the date. Although many men feel pressured to kiss her right at the end of the date, the truth is that if you don't kiss her right away, she'll feel confused and curious about you. This incompleteness will pique her curiosity, create a wave of excitement, and make her think about you even more after the date. This will not only make her feel attracted to you, but it will also make the relationship more exciting and promising ending. The date gently but impressively can make all the difference. A gentle, sincere hug and a sincere thank you will make a lasting impression without feeling rushed. This gesture shows respect and care, and makes her feel that you care without making things feel rushed or awkward in particular. It creates a space for her to feel valued, not sought after, or pressured in the relationship. The feeling of ending the date comfortably and gently will make her think more of you, not only for what you did, but also for how you restrained and showed respect for her. Such a small but subtle action can open up a promising new relationship where both of you feel more comfortable and natural. When approaching each other, if you follow these tips, not only will she be attracted to you, but she will also remember you forever. Remember, confidence combined with smart and subtle actions will create deep, unforgettable impressions in her heart. Every gesture, every word from the moment you meet until the end of the date is important to build attraction and create a strong connection. When you know how to stand out naturally, she will feel the obvious difference and be attracted to you as a person. It's not just compliments or expensive gifts, but the way you express yourself that makes her feel special and attracted. From the eyes to small but meaningful actions, all will create an impressive making her unable to forget you. After the date, every step, every decision you make during the meeting will create the foundation for a long-lasting and solid relationship. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel, Modern Stoic, and also press the bell icon button so that our next video will reach you easily.